Welcome to Innovative FinTech, brought to you by Texas Integrated Services, your go-to AI consulting firm. I'm your host, James Henderson, with the passion for educating everything AI and LLM, or large language models. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI in finance, focusing on algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and risk management. Let's uncover what's currently happening in these areas and how AI is revolutionizing the financial industry. Artificial intelligence is not just a futuristic idea, it's a present-day reality transforming industries worldwide, especially finance, from executing trades in microseconds to detecting fraud in risk management. AI is making significant waves. In this episode, we'll explore the latest developments in algorithmic trading, fraud detection, and risk management, and how AI is driving these changes. Let's start with algorithmic trading, where AI truly shines. Imagine a trading session decision being made faster than a blink of an eye. This is power of algorithmic trading, and it's happening right now. At Texas Integrated Services, we've developed an advanced AI algorithm that analyzes vast amounts of the market data in real time. These algorithmic can identify patterns, predict price movements, and execute trades automatically, enhancing trading efficiency and maximizing market opportunities. For example, our AI algorithm monitors stock prices, news events, and even social media trends simultaneously. By processing this data in real time, they can predict market trends and execute trades with incredible precision, reducing human error and consistently boosting trading performance. Currently, the focus is on refining these algorithms to handle market volatility better. Financial institutions are investing heavily in AI research to ensure these systems can adapt to sudden market changes and minimize risk associated with high-frequency trading. Now let's dive into fraud detection, a critical area in today's digital world of finance. Traditional fraud detection methods are often slow and unable to keep up with sophisticated tactics used by fraudsters. This is where AI makes significant impact. AI-powered fraud detection systems analyze large volumes of transaction data in real time, identifying anomalies and patterns that may indicate fraudulent activities. For instance, the customer's credit card is suddenly used in multiple countries within a short period of time, an AI system can flag this as suspicious. At Texas Integrated Services, our AI systems are designed to learn and adapt continuously. They get smarter over time, improving their accuracy to detect fraud and reducing fraud positives, ensuring legitimate transactions aren't mistakenly flagged. Right now, the focus is on integrating machine learning with AI to enhance fraud detection further. By leveraging machine learning, these systems can predict and prevent new types of fraud, providing an extra layer of security for financial transactions. Finally, let's talk about risk management, an essential component of the financial industry. Traditional risk management relies on historical data and statistical models. While effective, these models have limitations in predicting dynamic market conditions. AI is changing the game here as well. AI can predict vast data sets, including unstructured data sets like news articles, social media posts, providing a comprehensive risk assessment. At Texas Integrated Services, we use AI to analyze global economic indicators, potential political events, and market sentiments, offering a real-time risk assessment to financial institutions. AI is being used to enhance stress testing by simulating various economic scenarios, This helps with financial institutes identify potential vulnerabilities and develop strategies to migrate risk, ensuring they are better prepared for adverse conditions. AI is undoubtedly transforming the financial industry, from optimizing trading strategies to detecting fraud and risk management. AI is helping financial institutes operate more effectively and securely. However, with these advancements come responsibilities. It's crucial to balance innovation with ethical consideration, ensuring AI benefits everyone involved. Thanks for turning in to Innovative FinTech, brought to you by Texas Integrated Services. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and leave a review. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll be exploring more cutting-edge technologies shaping the future of finance. Until then, I'm James Henderson, reminding you to stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the power of AI.